Lesson 10. The preposition. A preposition is a word that is used before a noun or pronoun to express its link to another word in a sentence. Kinds of preposition. Preposition of time. Preposition of place or location. 1. Preposition of time. Preposition of time are over, on, in, up, etc. 1. At, in, on, in is also used with parts of the day, month, years, season, etc. Examples: A. You were born in June. B. My father will return from America in 2024. 2. By, from, since, till, for. By is used with the latest time at which the action will be over. Examples: A. He will return your money by 15th June. B. I shall reach you by 5 p.m. C. He remained the CM from 2016 till 2022. 3. In, within, in denotes at the end of some future period. Within means before the end of. Examples: A. You must complete your course within a week. B. I shall complete my course in a week. 2. Preposition of place or location. Main preposition of space are over, onto, off, through, into, out of, inside, outside, against, behind, between, after, under, up, down, at, by, since, for, from. Read the following sentences attentively. A. The rat jumped off the wall. B. Anuj was jumping over the wall. C. He is coming out of the pool. 1. At, in, with reference to time. At is used for a point of time, in for a period of time in which something takes place. Examples: A. I saw him at the crossing. B. He lives at Goa. C. Look at the blackboard. D. Many Indians live in Canada. 2. On, upon. On or upon is used when one thing covers, touches or forms the part of a surface of another thing. On shows the rest position of one thing on the other, while upon shows the position of motion when one thing moves from one place to another. Examples: A. The rat jumped upon the table. B. We sat on the ground. 3. Between, among. Between is used in speaking of two persons or things. Among refers to more than two persons or things. Examples: A. I am standing between my two sons. B. The hare hid among the bushes. Like, share, and subscribe.